How to upload voice message on WhatsApp status. So if you want to upload a voice message, then all you have to do is open up your WhatsApp and then go to the status bar, and here on the bottom right corner you will have a pencil shaped icon. Tap on that, and after tapping that you will find a mic icon, right? So if you long press on that mic icon, then you will be able to record a voice message and you will be able to upload that voice message on your WhatsApp status. So uploading a voice message on WhatsApp status was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.